Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on building a responsive image gallery with React and a Masonry layout. In today's visually driven digital world, the ability to create engaging media galleries is more important than ever. Whether you're developing an e-commerce website, a photography portfolio, or a social media platform, presenting images dynamically and aesthetically is key to capturing and retaining user interest. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid grasp of how to leverage React's powerful UI capabilities alongside the visually appealing Masonry layout to create an interactive and efficient image gallery. Let's dive in. To start, let's explore some key concepts that underpin responsive image galleries. First, we have responsive design. This ensures that the layout adapts to different screen sizes and orientations, providing a seamless user experience across all devices. React, a popular JavaScript library, excels in creating dynamic components that adjust responsively. Next, the Masonry layout differs from traditional grid layouts by filling in gaps with varying item sizes, optimizing space, and creating a visually intriguing, staggered effect. Think of it like organizing a bookshelf where books of different sizes are placed snugly to fill every inch of space. Enhancing user interaction is also crucial. Techniques like lazy loading ensure that images load only when they're visible, which improves performance and load times. Hover effects and smooth transitions further elevate the user experience, making browsing not just functional, but enjoyable. Let's look at a practical code example to solidify our understanding of how to implement a responsive image gallery using React and a Masonry layout. Our project setup involves a series of files, but we'll focus on one that's pivotal to the functionality of the gallery. In src components, masonry gallery.js, we define the structure and behavior of our gallery. The file imports essential libraries such as React for component creation, Masonry for the layout, and styled components for styling. Within this file, we define an array of image URLs and utilize the Masonry component to arrange them dynamically. The lazy image component uses the React intersection observer to implement lazy loading, ensuring images are loaded only when visible. This is how we create a responsive, visually appealing, and efficient image gallery. Now, let's walk through a demonstration of our responsive image gallery in action. Imagine opening the gallery on your browser. First, the main title, Responsive Image Gallery, greets you, indicating the focus of the page. As you scroll down, the Masonry grid becomes visible, showcasing a delightful layout of images arranged in a staggered format. As you hover over each image, you notice a subtle zoom-in effect, providing an interactive feel. As you continue to scroll, new images load seamlessly, thanks to the lazy loading feature. This ensures that the gallery remains smooth and responsive, even as you reach the end of the collection. Each image is fully visible, ensuring a complete browsing experience. In summary, we've explored how to build a responsive image gallery using React and a Masonry layout, enhancing both the visual appeal and user interaction. We've covered essential concepts like responsive design, the Masonry layout, and user interaction enhancements such as lazy loading. By understanding these principles and implementing them in our code, we've created a gallery that's not only visually stunning, but also efficient and user-friendly. As you continue to refine your skills, consider experimenting with different layouts, effects, and optimizations to further enhance the user experience. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and happy coding!